Millions of people are viewing motivational videos on social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Reels, and TikTok. These videos can generate significant income, even if they are simple to create. In this video, I will show you how to easily and quickly replicate these motivational short videos without using AI technology. TikTok is an especially popular platform for motivational videos, and I will use it to search for inspiration. This channel has nearly 4 million followers and receives millions of views on the videos made from the original motivational video. Let me guide you on how to replicate these videos in just 3 simple steps. The first step is to go to TikTok and download your favorite motivational video. Once you have finished downloading, convert the video to MP3 format. The second step involves removing the background music and keeping only the vocal track. To do this, visit a website called Voice Remover. Click on Browse My File and select the sound file. After the process is complete, reduce the music volume and increase the vocal volume. Click on the Save button, select the vocal track, and finish the process. Now let's move on to the next step. Download the stock footage for your motivational video from YouTube. Simply search for stock footage for motivational video and download the appropriate video. Finally, we reach the last step. First, open the CapCut. Then, cut and select your desired video clips. Trim each clip and insert your stock footage. Mute the audio and change the aspect ratio to portrait mode. Once you're done with that, delete the initial video and add your voiceover. To enhance the visual appeal, include captions. Just click on the text icon and enable auto captions. Click Start Now to generate the captions. At any point in the video, you can change the direction of the text by clicking on Style and selecting a black stroke with a thickness of 50%. For further customization, go to the animation section and add transitions. Apply the chosen transitions to all the video clips in a single click. For a more engaging experience, add background music and adjust the volume to 25%. Finally, it's time to preview the final video.
Stop telling your visions to other people, because they're not going to see it. Why you think you keep imagining opening a business? Why you keep imagining a better job? Why do you keep imagining getting rich one day? Why do you keep imagining that? Because God is talking to you. He's showing you something that He has for you. You've got to understand how good God is. He ain't playing with you. He created you, and then He even showed you what He got for you. But you have not because you ask not. Faith without works is dead. So now you got to put in work.
If you enjoyed this video, show some love with a like, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content.